2009 Volkswagen CC. This vehicle features the following equipment: 6-speed AT, 4-cylinder engine 2.0 L121, front-wheel drive, body-color door handles, 17 Phoenix alloy wheels, W anti-theft locks, P235, 45R17 self-sealing nail guard, all-season tires, auto-dimming rearview mirror, trunk light, 2 front 2 rear assist grips, 4-link fully independent rear suspension, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, disc brakes, 6-speed automatic transmission, W Tiptronic and odd front fog lights, body color bumpers, tinted glass.